we got on this first one? Squat and row?
Oh, Lord, did you move this?
I sure did. All right, your number's 15, let's do it. Breathe in when you squat, pull when you stand. That's not gonna hold you. When you squat, arms stay straight. Chest up, arms stay straight. Stand, pull. And 1, good. All right, looks good. 2, pull to your belly button for me. 3, I like that better. 4, good. 5, take me to 15. 1, come on with it. 2, looks great. 3, don't lose it. 4, arms straight. 5, give me 5. Your 1, good. Your 2, perfect. Your 3, way to work. Your 4, come on. All right, done. Awesome. Let's walk it in. All right, let's grab your cable. Remember, when you change the sides, you can bring the arm back in. It's going to be 1 and 1 to 8, okay? 1 and 1 to 8. All right. You'll reverse. Always rotate across the leg that's in the front. All right, rotate to me. Good. We bring it in. All right, other leg back. Your left back. Okay, all no. Gotta switch legs. There you go. Good. All right, nice and pretty. Keep them hands up high on your rotation. Turn that body. Draw that core in and rotate. Good. Right leg back. Good. Rotate. All right, we up. Left leg back. Left leg back. I won't keep going. Come on.
No way.
Come on. Rotate. Good. We up. Right leg back. Good. That's it. All right, don't bend your arms. All right, we good. Left leg back. We'll get 3 more. Push out. Okay, we didn't push out that time. All right, we up.
Okay.
Right leg back. Right leg back. Good. There it is. That's perfect. Give me another one. Left leg back. Push out. Okay, come on. Don't lose it. Stay with me. All right, 1 and 1. 1 and 1. Don't overthink it. Right leg back. To your left. Good. All right, we stand. Left leg back. Give me 1 to the right. All right, awesome. Walk it in. Beautiful. All right, we go to your mat. Your plank reach back is going to be 10. 1, 0. 1, 0. All right, 1, 0. And we reach. Your 1, good. Your 1, great job. Your 2, good. Your 2, don't change a thing. Your 3, good. Your 3, come on. Your 4, come on. Your 4, don't lose it. Your 5, go to work. Your 5, go to work, give me 5. Your 1, come on. Your 1, come on with it. Your 2, good. Your 2, don't change a thing. This is your 8, take me to 10. Here's your 8, good. 2 more, 2 more. Your 9, come on. Your 9, 1 and 1, 1 and 1. Your 1, all right, 30-second plank. Way to lock in. Timer going. Good job. Keep that core nice and tight. All right, 20 seconds, 20 seconds. Don't change a thing. All right, 15 seconds, 15 seconds, don't change a thing. Looking good, looking good. 9 seconds, 9 seconds. 5 seconds, 5 seconds, 5 seconds. All right, we up. Ooh, good job. Timer running. You're looking good. Looking real good. Looking real good. That's number 2. We got to get 1 more of those, okay? 1 more. You listen to Beyonce album? No? You not a Beyonce fan?
Not really.
Oh my, what did you got against, what do you have against Jay and B? Because you're not a big Jay-Z fan. You're not, what's up?
I don't like celebrities that people worship. And I have a problem with...
Someone probably worship every one of them though.
I know, but to the point where I could talk bad about my mom.
Okay.
And nobody comes for me. But I say bad something about Beyonce. That's my opinion. And everybody...
Does that make you dislike the person?
No, I'm dislike her. I was never really a big fan.
Okay.
But
Okay.
I
hear you. I hear
tell you something. Well, I don't know if you remember when I was living in Detroit.
Okay.
You know, they used to send you a bunch of CDs.
Mm-hmm.
And then if you keep it.
Yeah, I remember that. You get like so many in the mail, 100 probably. Yeah.
And I got a Beyonce CD and send it back.
And I remember that. Damn, I remember that.
And the people were like,
"You send this one back?" Right.
It was so. My sister was like, "They probably have never."
Yeah, never had nobody send that one back.
Send that one back.
Yeah.
I was like, I mean, I do have like on my Pandora, I listen,
Right.
I have a
Right.
Beyonce station,
Understand?
but I don't like every song.
I'm with you.
You know, the songs that I like, they don't even play them.
I'm with you.
Which, and I think she's really digging deep.
I understand.
Like,
No, not this one. This is squat in the row. Squat in the row, remember? All right, numbers 15, the last time for this.
okay.
All right, let's do it. Now, almost. Arms gotta stay straight when you squat. There you go. Stay in pull. Much better, much better. Good. All right, breathe out. Good. All right, take me to 10. Good. All right, give me 9, give me 9. Good. Don't lose it, yo, 8. All right, you're 7, give me 6, give me 6. Good. All right, give me 5, give me 5. Good. Stay with that, you're looking good. 4. We need 3 of those, don't change anything. All right, you're 2, you're 2. Good. You're 1, you're 1. Awesome, done. All right, we're going to the other side. This is the one where I need you to focus.
Okay. I don't know why.
All right.
Left, you're
I
right.
need you to focus. Come on, you got this. All right.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Perfect. And 1. Good. Beautiful job. Yes, you got it. Working that torso. Good. Working them obliques. You're good. Come on. Yes, there it is. Good. You got it. All right. Come on. Good. Beautiful job. Here's your number 3. Take me to 8. Right leg back. Good. We got it. All right. Left leg back. Okay, we're cooking now. We're cooking now. Right leg back. Good job. Good job. Okay, left leg back. Left leg back. Let's go for 3. All right. Right leg back. Right leg back. Stay with that. Good. All right. You're fine. Left leg back. All right. Give me 2 more. We're almost home. All right. Yes, you got it. You got it. All right. We stand up. That's good. Left leg back. All right. Let's get 1 and 1 and we done with it. 1 and 1. 1 and 1. Your 1. Good. All right. Here's your 1. Here's your 1. Done. Awesome. Good job. Way to work it. All right. This is your reach back. Remember, when you drop down, don't arch that lower back. Don't droop your lower back, rather.
Okay.
All right, here we
That's
go.
funny. They tell you what to do. You learn about planes differently.
Yes, you do.
Okay.
All right, we going. Good. That looks great. Don't change a thing. Don't change a thing. When you reach back, you exhale. When you reach back, you exhale. All right, everything looks good, looks good. Stay with that, stay with that. Don't change a thing, don't change a thing. All right, here's your 5, your 5. We got to get 10 on this one. This is your last set with a break. All right, you're looking good, you're looking good. Your 7, come on. Easy work, easy work. Come on. Easy work, easy work. Come on. Easy work, easy work. All right, give me 1 more, 1 more. Okay, 1 and 1 on each side. You're 1, you're 1. All right, give me 1. Awesome job. Your plank, and then we'll take a 2-minute rest, okay? Your plank is gonna be 30 seconds, 30 seconds. All right, we going.
Upgrade.
Yeah, you're looking good, looking great. All right, don't change anything, you're looking good. All right, right now we got 20 seconds, 20 seconds. All right, 15 seconds, don't change a thing. All right, 9 seconds, 9 seconds, 9 seconds. 8 seconds, dig deep, 5 seconds, 5 seconds. Awesome job, take a break.
Whew.
All right, 2-minute rest, way to lock in. All right, take me to 8. Breathe out your 1, good. All right, let's go again. Your left, your left.
Oh.
All right, your left. And your 1, good. Don't change anything, we gone. Your right. That's right, way to kill it, way to kill it. Your left. All right, 2 gone, we're going to 8. All right, your right. Okay, I see you cooking. All right, remember, don't bring them elbows behind you.
Okay.
Your left, you'll hold them and curl from right there. Good. All right, your 4 on the right. Good. Okay, that's all right, I'm with you, I'm with you.
Try to do too much.
All right, your left coming up. Your left, your left. All right, good job, stay with it. All right, 5, your right, your 5. And good, when you push that leg back, you exhale. All right, left, your left, your 5. Breathe out, good. There it is, we gotta fight for 3. Gotta fight for 3. Here's your right. Okay, yes, yes. All right, coming up on your left, coming up on your left. All right, that looks good. We need a double, we need a double. We going for 2, we need a double, we need a double. Your right, good. And we gone. We're going again on the left, again on the left. All right, we gone. Okay, 1 and 1, 1 and 1, 1 and 1. All right, you're 1. Yes, we got it. Your left, your left, your left, your left. All right, and we got it. Done. Awesome. All right. Your hand, your single leg to upright row. Ocho, 8. Single leg to upright row. All right, and breathe out, we up. That's it. You got it. You got it. All right, and we up. Careful. 2. Good. You pull them arms up high. You exhale. 3, 3. There we go. Don't change a thing. Come on. 4. I like them. I like them. Come on. 5. 3 more. 3 more. 6. Good job. 2 more. 2 more. Good. 7. Give me 1. Give me 1. Elbows high. Elbows high. Done. Good job. All right. Here's the one we need now. Here's the one we need. What's going on, Mike? How you
Hey,
doing?
what's up, brother?
All right.
Hey, how are you?
All right. Here we go. Focus. This is 8. All right. All right. We up. Good. That's fine. Use your mirror. Use your mirror. You're good. All right. When you pull the arms up, breathe. It's a little heavy. Breathe. Pull. 2. Good. All right. Let's go again. All right. Breathe. Pull. Raise. 3. Good. Okay. Okay. All right. We gone. Breathe. Pull. Raise. 4. We'll take it. We'll take it. All right. You're 5. We'll take it. I love it. I love it. 3 of those. All right. Awesome job. Last 2. Try to keep that right on a little straighter. Left is perfect. Good. Yes. Give me 1 more of those. 1 more. 1 more. All right. Perfect. Good job. We down. Push up 1, 5. Push up 1, 5. All right. Only way down, breathe in. Only way up, breathe out. Then 1. Good. Yes. Way to work. 2. That's right. Push through. Push through. Way to work. Way to work. Come on with it. You're 5. You're 5. Good. You're 1. You're 1. You're 2. You're 2. Come on. You're 3. You're 3. Come on. You're 4. You're 4. Come on. You're 10. You're 10. Come on. You're 1. You're 1. Come on. You're 2. You're 2. Good. You're 3. You're 3. Come on. You're 4. You're 4. Come on. All right, done. All right, your trunk rotation. 15. Last one we break. Keep that core nice and tight. All right, here we go. Every time you rotate, you breathe out. Good. Take me to 15. All right, you're 5. You're 5. Stay on it. Don't change a thing. Don't change a thing. You're 8. You're 8. Way to work it. Way to work it. Way to work it. You're 10. Count down. You're 5. You're 4. You're 3. You're 2. And we're going to take 2 minutes. Awesome job. You still with me?
Yep.
We're looking good. All right, we got to get 1 more round of this one.
Okay.
We'll take another break, and then you got 1 combo left. 1 combo left. What you got going for the weekend? Anything?
No.
Okay, okay,
Oh, I do.
okay.
I have a 60th birthday party I'm going to.
Okay, y'all always got something going on.
Ooh.
You know, I can't tell y'all I won't be here this weekend.
Yay, see?
Yeah, one of the guys that come in, I don't know if the guy that always in the videos with me, taller guy,
Oh.
it's his bachelor party
Oh,
in
nice.
Vegas. So
Nice.
leave Thursday, come back Sunday.
Okay.
Yeah, and then
It's
that's
your first, this not your first time in Vegas, is it?
it'd be my second. Yeah, I mean I don't gamble, so I don't know what I'm gonna do.
I want to go back just to see Usher.
I don't want to see no Usher.
You want to
No.
be Jay-Z?
If it was,
I was telling Kendall, we was somewhere something, and I was like, you know, Chef loves him.
Yeah, man.
And
Yeah.
he was
Hey,
cracking
if it was Chris Brown, I'd go see Chris Brown though.
I would too.
Yeah, I don't want to see no Usher though.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm cool on that.
Kendall, there's 2
Yeah.
songs, a couple of songs that
Yeah.
Kendall like.
So I know the last one. See if we can keep that 10.
Okay.
All right. And we up. 1. Yep. When you start standing, start pressing. All in one motion. Good. Drive it. Breathe in. Explode out there. Gone. Start pressing a little sooner. Now. There you go. All right. Breathe out. Gone. 5 left. Gone. 1. Good. All right. We gone. 2. Don't change your thing. All right. We gone. That's your 8. Good. Stay with me. All right. We gone. Good. Last one. All right, done. We'll put our weights down. Shoulder touch is 15. Nice and pretty. You're all right, you're all right. You're almost there. We're almost there. All right, let's go get it. All right, 15 on this one, 15. All right, breathe out, good. Uh-huh. Don't change anything. Looking good, looking good. Come on, come on. Yes, yes, yes. Good, good. 5, come on. 4, killing it. 3, come on. 2, come on. All right, we made it. Good job. All right, we're lock in.
This
Get
is
your
a-
weight, yep, get it together.
This is a hard one.
This will give you 8, it gave you trouble last time.
I know.
All right, let's go get it. Keep that core nice and tight. Feet wide for stability. It's harder with your feet together. Let's leave them apart a little bit.
If I get tired, can I go underneath?
Yeah, let's not go. We'll regroup. So if you need a 5 second, we'll do that, but then come back up. Yeah, we'll regroup. All right, breathe out. We pull. Oh no, other side. Come on with that left. And 1, good. And 1, good. And 2, take me to 8. Breathe out. 2, come on. Work up. 3, good. Come on. 3, we in there now. 4, oh yeah, we in there. Come on with it. We're halfway. Stay with me. You're 5, push it, push it. Good. 3 left. You're 6, come on. You got this one. 2 left. Way to fight. You're 7, come on. Yes, 1 and 1. 1 and 1. Oh, good job.
That one sucks.
This your last one, 15, okay? Last one, 15.
We have a new assistant manager. He looks like Fred Jernigan.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I ain't seen him in a minute.
Yeah.
Where's this guy from?
Don't know. He come from the outside.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, we go breathe out.
So
Good.
they introduced him
Breathe
today.
out too. Good. All right,
Yeah.
Good. All right, don't lose it, don't lose it. Good. All right, here your 5, your 5. All right, don't change a thing. Take me to 15. This your last set. We break. Oh, you got one more set left, don't you? This ain't this set number 2. I'm sorry. 9. You know this 2. You're 10.
You good?
All right, 5 left. Breathe out 1.
Okay,
Good.
Try to
Don't
get
change
it in
anything.
today.
Don't change
Yep.
anything. 3 left, 3 left. Last 2, last 2. Last 1, last 1, last 1. All right, let's take a break. You killed it. Way to work.
I don't know about that.
Got 2 minutes.